Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Klarna account. Let's get into it. First, pick your payment choice. The first step is to go to the store where you want to buy something and tell the computer how you want to pay. You need to pick the right option at the end of your shopping trip. Go to the store's buy page and in the checkout section, select Klarna as payment method. Click the button for the app so the system knows you want to use your account to pay. Because it tells the shop to talk to your account, you have to pick this choice so the safety tools can open up and check who you are. Without this step, the shop would just ask for a regular card and you wouldn't be able to start the verification process. Next, start the identity check. You need to wait for a small box to appear that asks you to prove it is really you trying to buy the items. Wait until the Verify Your Details pop-up appears on your screen. Keep your phone nearby so you are ready for the next part of the safety check. It is the system's way of keeping your money safe. This box is the gate that protects your account. It ensures that no one else is using your name to buy things while you aren't looking. Next, put in your phone number. Now you need to give the computer your number so it can send you a secret message that only you can see. Inside the box on the screen, type in your phone number. Make sure you type the numbers correctly so the message goes to your phone and not someone else's. Because your phone number is like your digital ID. By giving the system your number, you are telling it where to send the key to unlock your account. It is the key step to getting the right output and moving forward with your purchase. Look at your phone to receive the code and type it in on the website. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.